Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to refer Google Pay and earn money. So first, make sure that you updated and downloaded the Google Pay app. And needless to remind you that Google Pay is only available for some countries. Some of them are not available yet. So I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. If you want to refer Google Pay and earn money, you can just open the Google Pay app. At the top right corner, tap your profile picture to copy your code and share. Tap invite friends. Get the rewards to share via other platforms. Tab to share. Basically, enter the referral code in the Google Pay app. If it's not already installed, download the Google Pay and basically check the status of the referral, and you can find more info about the referral on the referral code page. You can check if the code was applied successfully, the status of your referral, and the referral eligibility. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.